Boom! What sun? Right there! It's right there, it's my phone. Don't worry, it's my phone. And the sun's right there. But we're gonna do this right now. Boom! We are gonna be using chapsticks, tape dispenser, and also my phone for light. Okay, let's do chapsticks first. Okay, you can see how, again, mouse. You can see how the light, it's like, so let's do sun setting, sunrise, sunset, or sunrise. It slowly becomes smaller and then becomes long again. And then, but then you see how like it's like only that big. Well, also if you get a bigger object or a bigger object with more width, it most likely be able to, like, you know how this, if you put it right over, it's like a teeny bit. But then this thing, it's like it looks like it's attached to the tape dispenser, which looks pretty cool. And then it's just bigger if you put it the other way. See like how like thick that is? It's like too big for your fingers, but that's teeny wee. And yeah, that's how shadows basically work. And yeah, so, and this is by Olivia, and boom, bye-bye.
The reason the shadow is moving in the video is because the Earth is constantly spinning while rotating around the sun, so that the angle of the sun is changing throughout the day, but also throughout the seasons. Therefore, the tree is blocking off different parts of the ground or the wall at different times of the day.
Breaking news here on Room 6, Channel 5. I'm Edward, live in my backyard. I have a question for you, Lisa. Did you hear about the new book? It just came out. What are your thoughts about it? Oh, Edward, it's an amazing book. Oh, Edward, it's an amazing book. In fact, I have a million replicas of it right here. Because I'm amazingly rich. And since it's from the Stone Ages, I even have a jacket from back then. I bought it from a designer boutique. Lisa, may you explain what it's about? Yes, I may, Edward. It's about Lucy and Andy in the beautiful Stone Ages, but I wouldn't be able to live then because there's no jewelry. Or makeup. But it's about Lucy and Andy. It's called Lucy and Andy Neanderthals. And it's about them, and they live with their family, their mom and their dad, and their little brother and their cousin thingamabobbers. And I'm running out of time to make my video because I need to go run a commercial for this book. So, if you want to learn what it's actually about, then go see someone's video, and the person who made it was called Lena Kennedy. So go and see that video. Bye bye. Bye. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is all for today. Goodbye. Bye, peoples. Edward, how do I stop the video? Okay, thank you, Edward. Bye bye. Yeah.
So, in the problem, they're equal the same, which is 15. The difference is the amount each group, in each group. One group has 3 groups of 5, and the other group is 5 groups of 3. Another way to say it is by multiplication instead of addition. 3 times 5 equals 15, or 5 times 3 equals 15. Instead, 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15, and 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. In the problem, they equal the same, which is 15. The difference is the amount in each group. One group has 3 groups of 5, and the other group is 5 groups of 3. Another way to say it is by multiplication instead of addition. 3 times 5, 3
Okay, so there are some cookies. We're looking for how many chocolate chips there are. Some cookies have 3 chocolate chips and some have 2. There are 6 cookies that have 3 and 2 that have 5. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 times 5 is 10. 18 plus 10 is 28.
Life cycle of a mealworm. Hello. I made my life cycle model out of these. They're little magnet balls called specks. This isn't an ad. This is the egg, the thing that it hatches from. This is the larva, the little wormy thing. This is the pupa. I tried to copy a picture online. And this, oh no, he fell over. Why does he keep falling over? This is the beetle. He has legs.
There is 1,000 meters in a kilometer. In a meter, there's 100 centimeters. The metric system is based on tens. This is the metric system, but wait, there is more. There is 10 millimeters in a centimeter. In a millimeter, there's 10 micrometers. He said, I know the metric system. Everything is based on tens, so learn it with me. Come together right now. Metric system.
Most people know how to round, and I'm going to show this part. Since this is the easiest part, I know how to do it. Okay, so you're rounding 195. And so you look to the 9, and you round, if it's 4 to 1, you round it down. If it's 5 to 10, you round up. And you can see that 9's right there. So that means we round up. So then we would put 200. That's how you do it, basically. And for a times problem, you would do This is how you do a multiplication rounding problem. Looks complicated, very complicated, but it's actually not that complicated. So here is the numbers you're doing. So 8,925 times 78. So the easy way to do it. This is not actually, it's an estimate. So you would round this number to the nearest 10. Round this to the nearest 1,000. You can see that it's, remember from the last part, this is a 9, that means round up. This is an 8, round up 2. And that makes 9,000, that makes 80. Take out the zeros, 9 times 8 is 72. And then 72 plus 4 zeros from the 3 from there, 3 from the 1,000, and 1 from the 80. And that makes 720,000. That's basically how you round. And yeah, rounding is one of the easiest ways to, you just basically use multiplication and rounding, mostly rounding. Kind of for our homework that we had. We had a lot of rounding. And also, Davion, this is for you. For giving you tips. And also, rounding could be used for other things too. Rounding money. Like I had yesterday, I went to the store to buy some stuff. And I had 30, I had something that was like 39.99 cents. I didn't know it was that much. And then I rounded it and it was at $40 basically. And yeah, that's how you do it. Bye.